Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods 4 product and I'm going to tell you how to use your spatial audio option on your iPhone. At first we have to go into settings of our iPhone and tap on our headphones menu. Here we have to scroll down to accessibility. Now we have to enable spatial audio head tracking to follow iPhone. Now we have to go back and scroll up to personalized spatial audio. Here we have tapped personalized spatial audio. And how it works is you have to scan your face using your phone Face ID sensor. You have to position your face in front of the camera frame. As you can see over here, you have to have your face between this frame, and you have to move your face to the left and to the right to scan your face, just like Face ID, but only to the left and to the right, not up and down. And now, as you can see, our personalized spatial audio is done. And now, to use it, you just have to have it enabled over here and have it enabled over here. And that's really it. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.